the plant. Welcome to our plant. So today, I'll walk you through our exact lane. Be sure to subscribe for more behind the scenes videos like this.
We have a slight fluctuation in the temperature graph right here. Yeah.
Adjusting the parameters now. It's stabilizing. Specifications met.
Each engine component is assembled and tested for absolute precision.
Did you capture the exact moment of the thrust spike?
Yes, logged it right here.
The vibration data confirms the anomaly.
Every engine is rigorously tested before leaving the facility.
And that's how aircraft engines are made. We're slowed, we're finished. From start to finish.